All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Tuesday to you all. Welcome to our fourth week of distance learning. Uh, this is my Avid video for today. So my good things for today are Mrs. Bruner. There she is, over there. She's riding her Peloton.
Hi.
There she is, riding her Peloton. I did not look at my attendance sheet for yesterday, so I don't have your good things to share with you right now. But I will have those later this week. So, today and this week, what I would like you to do is create a video. If you will think back to the start of the school year, we talked about slant. Remember, slant is sitting with proper posture in class, leaning forward and listening, asking pertinent questions, nodding your head yes and no, and talking with your teachers. I am going to ask you to make a video in which you demonstrate all or at least one of these slant behaviors. It is okay if your video is humorous. My one rule, well, my expectations for this are, you're going to turn it in on Friday. Looking at the assignment guide here, you'll see that I have put, you will submit slant videos to Google Classroom, but that's not until Friday. Between now and Friday, you're going to make these videos. There is a maximum length on this video of 30 seconds. So think back to all the aspects of slant, right? What did it mean to sit with proper posture and why? What did it mean to lean forward and listen, and what type of impression are you trying to create in your teachers when you do that? Asking pertinent questions. Why did you do that? How does that create a more positive impression in your teacher's mind? How does it create a more engaged mindset within yourself? Nodding your head yes or no, talking with your teachers. Remember, we talked about how sometimes your actions need to precede your emotions, right? Sometimes you create a mindset of being engaged and involved and interested by acting like you're engaged and involved and interested. So, in your videos, you can depict a student doing one of those things. Actually, I think it would be best to focus on just one. And how does that look? If you want to wear a funny hat, if you want to have maybe funny audio or a funny teacher, doing a lesson as you demonstrate, that is okay. But please remember that the maximum length on this is 30 seconds. I will take the ones that I think are best, either maybe best done or most illustrative of one of those traits, and put them on our Avid haiku site, and maybe even humorous ones as well. So you've got a week to work on this, and that is all for today. Stay healthy, stay well. This video, as well as the attendance sheet, will come to you at 8 o'clock this morning, so make sure you're filling that out. And that is all. Bye-bye.